Ever walked into a tiny bathroom and thought, wow, this looks amazing? That's the power of smart design, making even the smallest spaces feel stylish and functional. In 2025, small bathrooms are all about personality, comfort, and modern style. In this video, we're sharing 300 stylish small bathroom design ideas to help you turn any compact space into a beautiful, well-designed retreat. Let's get started. 1. Layout and space-saving design ideas. Opt for a wall-mounted sink to save floor space. Use a floating vanity for an airy feel. Install a pocket door instead of a swing door. Try a corner sink in tight layouts. Go for a frameless glass shower to open up the room visually. Choose a walk-in shower instead of a tub. Add a wall niche in the shower for storage. Use large format tiles to make the space look bigger. Avoid using too many patterns. Keep it minimal. Install the toilet in the corner to free up space. Create a wet room design, no partitions. Use mirrors to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Add a medicine cabinet with a mirror. Mount towel racks on the back of the door. Use recessed lighting to avoid bulky fixtures. Paint the ceiling the same color as the walls to elongate the space. Opt for a pedestal sink in narrow rooms. Add vertical open shelving for extra storage. Install a wall-hung toilet to clear floor space. Choose a sliding glass shower door. Maximize undersink storage with organizers. Consider shower with a linear drain. Place baskets under open shelving. Use stackable containers for toiletries. Keep window treatments minimal or use frosted glass. Choose multifunctional furniture. Install corner shelves in the shower. Use symmetrical design to balance the space. Avoid cluttering the countertop. Use pull-out organizers inside drawers. Mount storage on the shower wall. Add a half wall for subtle division. Choose minimal faucets and hardware. Add a floating makeup shelf. Use light-colored grout with tiles. Keep things off the floor whenever possible. Choose curved edges on vanities and sinks. 2. Color schemes and finishes. Go for soft neutral palettes, beige, taupe, ivory. Use white to create a clean, open look. Add contrast with black fixtures. Try pastel tones for a playful vibe. Use sage green for a fresh, modern twist. Add a pop of color with deep navy walls. Try monochrome color schemes for a sleek feel. Experiment with matte finishes for faucets. Choose a blush pink vanity for a soft, feminine touch. Add warmth with brass or gold hardware. Use two-tone tiles for visual interest. Try a single accent wall with bold tiles. Paint the door a contrasting color. Use terrazzo tiles for a fun, speckled effect. Add texture with matte subway tiles. Keep grout lines thin for a seamless look. Use pebble tile floors in the shower for spa vibes. Add metallic accents through lighting. Use frosted glass for privacy with elegance. Stick to one material in small spaces to reduce clutter. Try painted shiplap for a cozy look. Add contrast with black framed mirrors. Use soft gray for a calming tone. Layer whites for a warm minimalist palette. Add one bold accent, like emerald green or burnt orange. Paint just the lower half of the wall for color blocking. Choose warm off-whites for coziness. Use gold-framed round mirrors. Stick to just 2 or 3 colors in the entire space. Use cement look tiles for industrial chic. Try forest green for a nature-inspired palette. Add matte black for an edgy look. Pair soft peach with white for a gentle glow. Use rich earth tones for a grounded feel. Add copper fixtures for warmth and shine. Match wall and floor tile colors for seamlessness. Try soft blue tones for a relaxing vibe. Add gold-trimmed accessories. Use stone-textured tiles to bring nature in. Try a glossy tiled ceiling for extra light reflection. Paint built-in shelves in a contrasting color. 3. Vanity and sink styling. Try a round vessel sink for visual softness. Choose a vanity with drawers instead of cabinets. Add under vanity lighting for a glow effect. Pick a wall-mounted faucet to save space. Use floating vanities with open shelves. Try concrete countertops for a modern look. Add a small plant on the vanity for freshness. Use a quartz top for durability and beauty. Try double sinks if space allows. Use leather poles for a unique texture. Add a mirror cabinet with lighting built in. Choose a vanity with integrated sinks. Customize drawers with organizers. Paint the vanity a bold color. Add brass legs for a chic, elevated look. Choose an open vanity for a lighter feel. Use marble tops for a classic touch. Add a vanity stool under the counter. Mix natural wood with modern finishes. Use acrylic drawer pulls for a subtle touch. Go for a waterfall edge vanity top. Try colored sinks for a pop of personality. Install a full-length mirror behind the vanity. Add a sculptural bowl sink for a statement. 4. Shower and bath upgrades. Try a rain shower head for a spa feel. Add a handheld sprayer for flexibility. Use mosaic tile on the shower floor. Add a wood look tile bench in the shower. Use a single pane of glass instead of full doors. Add a tall warmer rack inside the shower wall. Use waterproof LED strip lighting in niches. Try a linear drain for a clean look. Choose chrome fixtures for timeless appeal. Add a marble threshold. Try vertical tile in the shower to heighten the space. Add a built-in seat for comfort. Use gold fixtures for a glam shower. Use black grout with white tiles for contrast. Add a corner caddy shelf. Install a curved shower wall for soft lines. Add a teak floor insert in the shower. Use frosted glass blocks for privacy. Choose a matte black shower frame. Add hexagonal floor tiles. Use a tinted glass door. Go for a bold tile pattern inside the shower only. Use a recessed LED lit shower niche. Add an aromatherapy shower head. Install a rainfall ceiling shower head. Mix tile styles in the same color family. Use vertical marble slabs for luxury. Add a shower curtain with metallic accents. Try pebble tiles for foot massage comfort. Use bronze shower heads for vintage charm. Add a skylight above the shower. 5. Lighting and ambience ideas. Install a dimmer switch for adjustable lighting. Add wall-mounted sconces on either side of the mirror. Try pendant lights for a modern, elegant touch. Use LED strip lighting under cabinets. Add backlit mirrors for a soft glow. Try an overhead skylight for natural light. Use a decorative chandelier in the center. Incorporate lighted glass shelves. Choose warm white bulbs for a cozy feel. Add motion sensor lighting under the vanity. Use layered lighting, ceiling, wall, and accent. Try a statement light fixture to add personality. Install lighted mirror cabinets for function and style. Use frosted globe lights for softness. Add lighting inside storage niches. Choose vintage-style wall lamps for charm. Use sconces with a brass or matte black finish. Add uplights behind plants or features. Use task lighting around the mirror. Try smart bulbs for color and brightness control. Add battery-powered LED tap lights in cabinets. 6. Storage and organization hacks. Use stackable baskets on open shelves. Hang fabric pouches behind the door. Use a narrow pull-out drawer unit beside the sink. Add wall-mounted cube shelves. Use vertical cabinets to draw the eye upward. Install a tall, narrow linen closet. Use over-the-door storage for toiletries. Try under-sink pull-out bins. Hang a rail with hanging baskets. Use labeled jars and containers for clarity. Store toilet paper in decorative containers. Add a hidden drawer under the sink lip. Use a rolling cart for portable storage. Attach magnetic strips for bobby pins and tweezers. Add suction cup shelves to shower walls. Store bath towels in vertical rolls. Use drawer dividers for small items. Add adhesive hooks on the side of cabinets. Use a slim step stool with built-in storage. Store cleaning products in an over-the-toilet caddy. Use collapsible bins for flexibility. 7. Mirror magic and wall features. Use an oversized mirror to visually expand the room. Try a round mirror for a soft, modern shape. Add a mirrored cabinet for a double function. Choose an arched mirror for a luxe vibe. Use an antique mirror for vintage charm. Add 2 small mirrors side by side for balance. Use a mirror with a shelf for extra storage. Try tinted or smoked mirrors for drama. Hang a mirror from the ceiling for a unique design. Choose a mirror with sculptural or artistic framing. Install a floor-to-ceiling mirror on one wall. Use a backlit mirror for ambient glow. 8. Finishing touches and decor. Add a small potted plant or hanging greenery. Use patterned floor mats for texture. Add a wooden stool beside the tub. Hang minimalist wall art or prints. Use decorative jars for cotton swabs and pads. Add a tiny candle shelf near the mirror. Try hanging dried eucalyptus in the shower. Use a stone soap dish for natural style. Add a bamboo bath tray over the tub. Use soft, neutral hand towels for spa vibes. And there you have it, 300 stylish small bathroom design ideas to help you turn even the tiniest space into a functional, modern, and beautiful retreat. Remember, small bathrooms don't mean small impact. With the right choices, your bathroom can become the most impressive room in your home. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone ready to give their bathroom a makeover. Let us know in the comments, which idea are you trying first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.